It's Play Madness, and today we are going to be doing a What's Inside My Bag video. Yay! Okay, so, sorry my hair looks we're going to be doing a What's Inside My Bag video with all of my school backpack. I don't English good, obviously. Okay, so. Okay, we're going to start with outside my backpack with my water bottle. I have to have this for gym and for band when we go outside and do drill, which is... No, I'd rather kill myself. No, I don't KMS, Lexi. No KMS. Okay. And then we're going to move into the front pocket of my bag. My EOS lip balm. And my 50 million highlighters, pens, and pencils. Okay. Yes. Okay. On to the next thing. I have my book, which currently I'm reading The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. It's a really good book. You guys should really check it out, okay? Please. Really good. Okay, my day planner, which houses all of my important stuff that I have to memorize and remember. My composition notebook that I doodled all over in driver's ed. It has something in it. My MP3 player for those stupid morning bus trips. Earbuds. More earbuds. A small calculator for me to do math homework with. My school ID card. See, look at me. Along with my sticker that gets me into any sporting event at the school for free because I'm a band kid and band kids get perks. More death. Next, we are going to be moving on to this pocket of my backpack, which houses my band binder. Oh, and my little random note. Yeah, it's on a Reese's peanut butter cup wrapper. It says, "This is me asking you out on a wrapper." Real classy. So date me. I gave that to my friend LaDonna as a joke. The joke. My binder for English, which has all of my important English stuffs in it. Yeah. My folder that houses all of my important stuffs in it. Everything's important, so I wouldn't carry it around. But cough straps, because I cough my lungs up during school. The next one is this. This one's this very last pocket in the very back. Ooh, secret. Has a shirt for me that I wore in gym today. A hairbrush. And this thing that has stuff y'all don't need to see in it. Not condoms. Is that it? Oh. And my Bible, because my friend Jaden brought it back from the church today. Okay, so that was the video. I know it was really short. I'm sorry, I just didn't have a lot of time to make any videos today. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye!